Hello everyone. The alternative product management module will help in managing the product where there is a no quantity available. In that case, this module will show an alternative product. Alternative product stored in the different location will be shown. Once this module is installed, let's get into and settings. Under user and companies, we need to get into the users to give an access rights for this particular one. Now, in this page, user can see an alternative product manage. We need to enable this option. Once this option is enabled, there will be a tab called alternative product on the product form. So let's get into an inventory. So from here under products, we need to get into the products. Okay. So from here, user can see an alternative products will be there in the product form once you have enabled an alternative product manage access rights. So from here for each and every product, we can choose an alternative product right away here. You can see that there is an or no on-hand quantity left. So now let's get into and sales to create a new sales order. So from here under sales, you can see a new option to create a new quotation. Now let's create a new one with the same product. Okay. So now user can see there is a no quantity left. Now when user click on n plus icon which is available here, the user leads to the pop-up like low stock, like do not have in stock for this product. Please click on a button change. So once you click on that change option, on this wizard, alternative products with an available quantity will be there. Their user can replace an existing product with the alternative product. Also, user can view the product in the stock, different location. There will be a smart button to view the stocks for each and every product. Okay. So for this product, there is a no stock, and for this one, there will be n 26 stocks on our hand. So let's choose an product name steel. Okay. Now let's replace it. You can see that after we have enabled, it will be automatically applied. And if you confirm this order, you can see it will be automatically fetched till the delivery state. Okay. Now like the same way, let's duplicate the same one and now let's change and product name as office chair. Okay, there is a no quantity yet. Now in case if I have confirmed this quotation, you can see that the delivery order will be created. So after creating the delivery order, if user tries to change anything, okay, like it will be changed to an conference chair aluminum, let's replace it. You can see it will be automatically replaced in that particular sales quotation. It will be automatically replaced in the picking as well. You can see that on the picking also that product will be changed. And also in another scenario, now let's duplicate this. So from here, if I add the same product, okay, there is a no quantity, you can see that. Now let's confirm this one. Now let's validate the delivery order as well. Confirm, and after picking created and picking also confirmed, then if user tries to change anything on the product line, like if need to add any product, it will be showing an error message like this. Oops, do not change your product. This product picking is already done. So this helps user to know that already the picking will be in the done state. In this way, we can make use of this module to add an alternative product if that product quantity is not available. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about an inventory related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated inventory features that we have. Thanks for watching.